So it's been almost an hour. Almost an hour, I think. It's still raining. Rishabh took a nap. He's right there. I tried taking a nap too, but I could not sleep. And it's become too cold. So we're now in our sleeping bags.
We are trying actually.
It's too cold. Like we have our jackets though. That's good.
बिजली भी कड़क रहा है.
Yeah.
But I'm not sure इतना इस बिजली कड़कने बाहर सोना चाहिए कि नहीं सोना चाहिए.
We don't have an option.